Om Namah Shivaya. Let's start this week's last Tech Talk with VIVO. VIVO held a launch event in China and launched three new products named Vivo S12 5G, Vivo S12 Pro, and Vivo Watch 2. The first one is Vivo S12 5G. This smartphone has 6.44-inch FHD plus 90Hz refresh rate AMOLED display, MediaTek Dimensity 1100 5G processor, 108 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 44 plus 8 megapixel dual selfie snapper, 4200 mAh battery with 44 watt charging, Android 11 with Origin OS Ocean, in-display fingerprint sensor, LPDDR4X RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, rotor motor. This smartphone is 7.39 mm thick and it weighs 179 grams. This smartphone is launched in two variants. The price of 8GB to 56GB variant is Yuan 2799, that is around rupees 33,000, and the price of 12GB to 56GB variant is Yuan 2999, that is around rupees 36,000. The second product is Vivo S12 Pro. This smartphone has 6.56-inch FHD plus 90Hz refresh rate, 240Hz touch sampling rate, curved AMOLED display with HDR10+, MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor, 108 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 50 plus 8 megapixel dual selfie snapper, 4300 mAh battery with the 44 watt charging, Android 11 with Origin OS Ocean, in-display fingerprint sensor, LPDDR4X RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, rotor motor. This smartphone is 7.36 mm thick and it weighs 171 grams. This smartphone is also launched in two variants. The price of 8GB to 56GB variant is Yuan 3399, that is around rupees 40,000, and the price of 12GB to 56GB variant is Yuan 3699, that is around rupees 44,000. And the last product that is launched by Vivo is Vivo Watch 2. This smartwatch has 1.43-inch AMOLED always-on display, all-weather display, 60Hz refresh rate, 7 by 14 days battery life, heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, sleep monitor, stress monitor, GPS GLONASS, NFC, eSIM support, Bluetooth 5.2, 47 sports mode, SOS mode, 2GB storage, multiple watch faces. This smartwatch is 5 atmospheric water resistant, 316L grade stainless steel body, and it weighs 47 grams. This smartwatch is launched at a price of Yuan 1299, that is around rupees 15,000. Realme GT2 Pro first official look is here. In this smartphone, there will be dual camera module with the 50 megapixel main camera with OIS, and the design of the smartphone is inspired by paper, and the smartphone is co-designed by Naoto Fukusawa. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus official press images are leaked by Let's Go Digital. Xiaomi 12 live images are leaked, and this smartphone is going to be launched on 28th of December in China. This smartphone will have 6.28-inch 1080p FHD Plus AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate, 10-bit color depth, Mate A Plus rating with 15 new screen records, 16,000 level screen brightness adjustments, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus display. Specifications of the display of Xiaomi 12 Pro are leaked. This smartphone could have Samsung's second generation low power 2K display, E5 luminescent material, LTPO 2.0 material, micro lens micro prism technology, and Xiaomi's self-developed intelligent dynamic refresh rate technology that varies between 10 Hz, 30 Hz, 60 Hz, 90 Hz, and up to 120 Hz depending on the usage. And the live images of the official box and the smartphone is here, which is pre-installed with MIUI 13, and the sound of the smartphone is powered by Harman Kardon. Iqoo 9 series smartphone case and Iqoo 9 Pro expected specifications are leaked by Digital Chat Station. This smartphone could have 6.78-inch WQHD Plus E5 LTPO AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, DC dimming, Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 processor, 50 megapixel main camera with Samsung's GN5 sensor plus 50 megapixel ultra wide lens, 16 or 32 megapixel selfie snapper, 4700 mAh battery with 100 watt charging, and Android 12. Huawei launched its Huawei P50 Pocket in China. This smartphone has 6.9-inch FHD Plus OLED 120Hz refresh rate, 200Hz touch sampling rate, 2790 by 1188 pixels resolution main display, 1.04-inch 60Hz refresh rate, 120Hz touch sampling rate, 340 by 340 pixels resolution cover display, Snapdragon 888 4G processor, 40 megapixel main camera plus 13 megapixel ultra wide camera plus 32 megapixel hyper spectral triple rear camera setup, 10.7 megapixel selfie snapper, 4000 mAh battery with the 40 watt charging, Android 11 with Harmony OS 2, DCI P3 color gamut, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. This smartphone is 7.2 mm thick in an unfolded state, 15.2 mm thick in a folded state, and it weighs 190 grams. And this smartphone is available in crystal white and obsidian black colors, and the custom edition is available in gilt gold color. This smartphone is launched in two variants. The price of 8GB 128GB variant is Yuan 8988, that is around rupees 1,06,000, and the price of custom edition 12GB 512GB variant is Yuan 10,998, that is around rupees 1,24,000. This is all in today's Tech Talks. I hope you like. Please like, subscribe, and share my video with your friends and family. Now, I will see you all on Monday with the next fresh episode of Tech Talks by Monday. I wish you a very happy weekend. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, save water, and don't forget to wear the mask.